Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Toby. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the hat. At the top, let's draw a small sideways oval. Then on top, let's draw a bump up and back down in the center. Now from the top, let's draw a curve out on both sides. And curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop back down, and to draw the sides of the hat, let's draw a long curve down on both sides like this. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in, and let's start at the top, and let's draw a curve down on the left. And then hop over and another one down here. Now underneath, we're going to draw the brim of the hat. Let's start underneath on the left, and let's draw a curve down to the right and curve it back up. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop underneath and draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the left side, and let's draw a long curve down and bring it up to the right. Now let's hop inside, and let's draw two small ovals at the top for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now underneath for the mouth, let's start on the left, and let's draw a curve across. And then a bump underneath for the tongue. Now let's hop out to the sides and draw the ears. Let's start with a curve out and back in on both sides. Then at the top, let's draw a curve out. And another curve underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath. We're going to leave a gap, and let's draw two lines down. And then a line across the bottom. Now to draw the arms, let's hop out, and let's draw an angle down from the head. And bring it back in. Now let's add the hands by drawing a curve underneath each side. And then one more curve inside each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move in and draw the legs. Let's draw a line down in the center. And an angled line out from each side. And connect it with a line across at the bottom. Lastly, underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's start underneath on the left, and we're going to draw a bump up to the pants and back down. And the same thing on the right side, overlapping the line in the center here. And then a line across the bottom. And that's it for Toby. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!